We step back in time to 1990, bit of a restless young 24-year-old, sick of working for others, decided to go it alone. Roll on mobile engineering. I decided to go out and start servicing the needs of local farmers in South Taranaki. Tended to do service work, but I got a lucky strike. My first job I was given was in a dairy factory, welding stainless steel conduits and dairy pipe. While that was not my original vision, it gave me a big leg up that I needed, and it helped me focus towards the industrial sector of the market. Our core products became light structural steel, stainless steel fabrication, and that kind of moved us into an area servicing all local industry around Taranaki. Became recognised as a company that had a can-do attitude, and we were innovative, and that basically led on to the creation of, or the opportunity of, establishing Monkeytoe as a product and a business going forward.
So in 2006, Monkeytoe was approached by a consultant with a problem. He had a new dry store, new roof, and he had to get access over that roof to clean the roof down so he could maintain the warranty on the roof, but more importantly, so he could actually protect that asset. At the time, there was no solution on the market that he could go to, purchase and install on his building. So we worked with that consultant to develop the first Monkeytoe roofing clip, the first Monkeytoe walkway, which was designed with a lot of input by the roofing industry, so that we knew we weren't impinging warranties, we knew we were protecting the product, and that sort of at the core, I guess, that was the start of the Monkeytoe journey, was protecting the roof. And we very quickly realised that the issue we had, or the issue we'd seen on that project, was not unique. It was all over New Zealand, and a lot of it was resulting in what was known as the leaky building syndrome, where assets hadn't been protected like they should have been, roofs hadn't been protected like they should have been, and it had resulted, or it had contributed to the leaky building syndrome in New Zealand. So we found, as approaching other consultants, other builders, other property owners, that there was a big gap in the market for a product which could be installed above a roof without causing any damage to the roof, and whilst protecting that building and that asset. So the name Monkeytoe, that came from the first roofing clip we designed, which was designed to snap on to the roofing profile, so it clips on like a monkey gripping a tree. Started as a bit of a joke with a few of the boys in the factory, and kind of over time it sort of grew on us. We got a bit more used to it, and then the name just stuck and away we went. So Monkeytoe became the name of the company.
As we sold the value of protecting the roof, the product range expanded from mostly walkways to include mounts, platforms, guardrails and ladders. Most of our work was on the roof, so we became known as the boys on the roof. That's where pretty much all of our work was. A key skill set in the organisation was light structural fabrication, but over time our confidence and knowledge with aluminium continues to grow through constant research, continued design experience and extensive physical testing. This has allowed us to consider and deliver much larger and more complex structures. The material we work with has not really changed. Aluminium has been proven to be durable, it's strong, it's easily workable, and to date there's no other material which offers better all-round performance. In 2022, we used around 1.4 million kgs of aluminium, made up of extrusion and plate. Most of this went to the construction scene in New Zealand and Australia, but a good proportion has also ended up in bridges, stairs and other structures for industry, some councils and government entities. Stair towers and bridges are newer products for us at Monkeytoe, and they come with clear long-term benefits. The durability and low maintenance nature of aluminium, it outguns traditional galvanised or painted options. They're typically more cost-effective too. Given our business model of design, manufacture and installation, our customers enjoy a seamless process.
Some of the feedback we receive here at Monkeytoe from our customers is how they appreciate the problem-solving spirit of our staff. Engineers and architects often give us recognition for our innovative mindset and the quality of our products, with longevity and safety at the forefront. Whether it be resolving product issues fast or responding to an urgent quote request fast, the feedback we're given is that we're an honest bunch of people often challenging the status quo. Our processes are efficient. We're a company that is unique with a pretty cool group of people that take the bull by the horns to find a solution.
So over the years, Monkeytoe's seen many changes, many tweaks, many improvements to the way we do business, to the structure of the big business, to the products we supply. But I think at its core, we keep coming back to our mantra, which is everything better. And I think the team understand that we don't always get it perfect, but we always strive to get it better. And then along with that, our core purpose, if you like, is to help others create more durable structures. That's been very stable, and in the instances where we have strayed from that, we have got into products or offered solutions that don't fit that purpose, we've been brought back very quickly to, no, this is our core, this is what we're good at, here's why we're in the market.
As a company, we love to give back to our communities. Monkeytoe have established an internal culture committee. The Culture Committee are responsible for annual donations to recognised charities. This happens through the year, and we do one major charity donation at our staff team day at the end of the year. The other part of the Culture Committee is internal staff recognition. This is done bi-weekly, held via Zoom, so it gathers our staff from all areas across New Zealand in Australia. So our team recognition awards are nominated against our values. So it's where our staff recognise colleagues that are doing great things, going above and beyond.
So I think Monkeytoe is well placed now to continue to serve the New Zealand construction and building scene. So we've got manufacturing in Taranaki, roughly the middle of the island. Then we've got project management offices in Auckland, Wellington, Christchurch, Tauranga. Where the action's happening, if you like, we've got key individuals that are able to take ownership for those projects. They're able to collaborate quickly with our clients, make sure our clients get the service and the product and the quality they have come to expect from the Monkeytoe brand. And then in 2019, we've set up in Australia with a similar structure. We've got core manufacturing hub. Then you've got project managers close to the action to make sure our clients can rely on a consistent service level from the Monkeytoe brand.
So in finishing off, I'd like to acknowledge our staff and the awesome role they've played in establishing Monkeytoe. Many of them have been on a journey since 2006, and some of them have been employed by myself for over 25 years. Our staff have embraced our vision and our passion for everything better, which has been a journey of continuous improvement and product innovation. Innovation is not just for products, it's also a way of doing business, and our staff have embraced this. It's our staff that makes Monkeytoe a great place to work. To be stretched is the Monkeytoe way. It's not really the flashy breakout rooms or the fancy morning tea shouts. All these have their place. True workplace enjoyment comes from staff being aligned and they're working towards a common goal. It also is where staff are caring for each other. This in turn means they care for the business, they care for their customers, and they care for our brand. So there's other partners that assist with Monkeytoe. I think we need to give a big shout out to our suppliers. Our suppliers have stood with us through product innovation. They've stood with us during rapid growth cycles, and they've made sure that we have timely supply. Without them, we'd really be nothing. And it's also an acknowledgement to our wonderful customers that have come on the journey with us. They've given us honest feedback. They've also shown patience, and they've supported us. They've trusted our products, which we appreciate. This also applies to our architect and engineering friends. They've trusted our products. They're the link between ourselves and the customers. have specified our products and promoted them. We truly appreciate your trust in us and our products. Well, I trust this has given you some insight into Monkeytoe, brief history of where we've come from and where we're headed to. Well, thank you for watching.